Hey guys, if you got a vehicle check message in your BMW and wondering what services or maintenance work is required for your vehicle, here's how to find it. Go to BMW site, link in description, click on owner's drop down link and click on warranty information. Once you're on service and warranty page, select year and model of your vehicle and click on download PDF. Open PDF document and search for vehicle check section. Under vehicle check section, you will find all maintenance work that is required for your vehicle. As you can see in document, most of it just checks that you need to perform. Obviously, if you find any issue, you will need to fix it. I'm going to run all those checks in my vehicle before resetting. Once I'm done with all those checks, I will show you how to reset vehicle check message without going to dealership. By the way, I have many how-to videos for BMW on my channel. I will put link to BMW how-to playlist in description for reference. If you find this video helpful, click like button and consider subscribing for more how-to videos. Have a good day and safe driving. Cheers.